Welcome to the version of INIFINIX Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings, and after that tap to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here notification button, and just to mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe this green dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down button, then click here on the settings, and just will launch automatically sounds and vibration settings, and you will just hold and swipe to the left side this green dot to mute your notification sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.